How to adjust video speed in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to adjust the video speed in CapCut, first of all launch the CapCut application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and make sure you have an updated version of the application. Next, tap on the new project option and select any of the profile or the project that you want to speed up over here. As you select on the project, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the video. As you tap on the video, different menus will pop up at the bottom of the screen over here. So you just need to tap on the speed option over here, and as you tap on speed, here you can select on how you would like to adjust the video speed. You would want the normal, range, curve or velocity effects. So you can just tap on normal over here and then select the speed over here. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.